In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap coins on Trust Wallet. By the end, you'll feel confident trading one crypto for another right inside the app without leaving your wallet. Make sure you have the latest version of Trust Wallet installed, a stable internet connection, and enough balance to cover both the swap and the network fee. Start by opening Trust Wallet and tapping the swap button on the main screen. This brings up the built-in swap interface, which is designed to be quick and straightforward. Next, choose your tokens. In the You Pay field, select the coin you want to sell. In the You Get field, select the coin you want to buy. You can search by token name. And if you're dealing with less common assets, always double check that you're choosing the correct token to avoid lookalikes. Keep in mind that swaps occur on specific networks, so make sure both tokens are supported on the same chain in your wallet. If a token isn't appearing, it may not be supported on that network or may need to be added to your token list for visibility later. Now enter the amount you want to swap. You'll see your available balance and a calculated estimate of how much you'll receive. It's a good idea to leave a small amount of the network's native coin in your wallet to pay for gas. For example, on Ethereum, you'll need a little ETH, and on BNB Smart Chain, you'll need a little BNB. If you try to use your entire balance, the transaction might fail due to insufficient fees. Before you proceed, review the rate and fees, then tap Preview Swap. This screen summarizes everything: the exchange rate, the estimated amount you'll receive, network fees, and any provider fees. Pay attention to price impact and slippage, especially during volatile markets, as they can affect your final amount. Quotes can update quickly, so if something looks off, give it a moment and recheck. If the numbers align with your expectations, you're ready to move on. Finally, select Confirm Swap. You may be asked to authenticate with your device passcode or biometrics. After confirmation, the transaction will be submitted to the network. You'll see a pending status while it processes and then a completed status once it's finalized. The new token balance should appear in your wallet shortly. If you don't see it right away, refresh your wallet screen. Some tokens may need to be toggled on to become visible. That's it. You've just completed a swap and trust wallet. Always double check token selections, keep an eye on fees, and leave room for gas to ensure a smooth experience.